Welcome back to another video on Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. So today we're going to be doing some smoked burgers on our pit boss. My name is Audrey and this is Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. Alright, so first things first, if you guys are new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe because we're just getting started. Summer's right around the corner and we're going to be doing some good smoking around here. For all those new people in the channel, we're all about easy recipes, nothing too complicated. I work a 9 to 5. I don't have time to do extravagant cooks, so I make it easy for you guys that also have families and don't have a lot of time to cook but want to be out here and do something on your pellet grill. So here in this channel, you're gonna learn a lot. You're gonna see a lot of simple cooks that are really delicious. With that being said, let's go ahead and start on this smoked burgers. So here I got some lettuce and onions. I'm not a big fan of tomatoes. I was for a little bit, but I just like onions on my burger, no tomatoes. I got 80-20 ground beef. We're gonna be using the Killer Hawks Texas brisket rub. Black pepper, salt, and garlic. It's all we need for these burgers. Now I'm just gonna use ketchup and I'm gonna use some Thousand Islands. Now you may use mayonnaise if you want or any kind of condiments you guys wanna use, but I'm gonna use Thousand Islands because raised in Southern California, they do a lot of burgers with Thousand Islands and I really like. So I got about 2 pounds here. So we're just gonna go ahead and make our burgers. So now you can make it as big as you guys want. Now I didn't add anything to the meat. It's just straight out of the bag, nothing added to it. I know some people like to add breadcrumbs, eggs, and all that stuff, but you don't really need to. Now there we go, about a nice size right there. And I'm gonna make about 4. Oh, and we're also adding cheese, which I forgot to bring it out, but we're adding cheese too. All right. So I have this bad boy here. This is the one I've been using, the Temp Spike Plus. Now I have this here because they just sent me an email that they're having a big sale on these. I don't know if it's almost like half off, but it's really cheap right now. I think it's only gonna last for less than a week. So if you guys want to get one of these, a link is in the description so you guys can, the price is really cheap right now. It's a great deal and this is really good to use. So back to our scheduled program, we're gonna use the Texas brisket rub. Now this, I really love this a lot, and so I used it on a brisket. I'm using it on some burgers. I used it for something else, I don't remember, but you can't go wrong with this brisket rub. Anything that you guys see in this channel that involves the rubs or the thermometers that I use, there's always a link in the description. There's also a link now on Pit Boss. So you guys can check out the website, check out all the grills that they got to offer. So far I've been loving mine, and I'm gonna do a review on the grill that I have coming up soon, within the week I think. All right, so now we got that. All right, so how are we gonna cook this? So remember, like I've said before, the higher the temp of your pellet grill, the less smoke flavor it'll have. It will have some, you know, when you go up over 300, the higher you go, the less smoke flavor it has. Under the 300, you'll get good smoke flavor. So I'm thinking about putting these on the pit boss for 275 degrees. Now the internal temp that I like to go and the family likes is about 160. Now I know a lot of you might like it not too well done. However time the 160 takes, whatever temperature you guys like, 150, 155, you guys can take less time cooking it than I did. That being said, let's fire up our pit boss. All right, our pit boss is up to temp, 275 degrees. We'll go ahead and add these bad boys in here. We're gonna keep an eye on them and be back when they hit about 155, and then we'll put the cheese on at 155 and then let it ride for another 10 minutes. All right, so we've been cooking these for 50 minutes. So 50 minutes, where they're at. We're at 139. It's been 50 minutes. Now this part you don't have to do if you don't want to, but if you want to be extra and have grill marks, just go ahead and turn them around. You have nice grill marks on both sides, so we'll still have a little bit more time left. We'll be back when they hit about 155 to add the cheese. All right, they've been there just about an hour. Look how good they look. Yeah. You'll see where we're at. 151. I would say let's go ahead and add that cheese. So here we go. All right, we'll be back. All right, they've been there for an hour and 10 minutes. And they're ready to come out. Look at that. All right, so before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. Alright, so here we have it. As you can see, 2 of them already gone because the wife and the son cannot wait. So I had to make them first before I continue making my video. So, and they like it, so it was a hit. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our buns right here. And Thousand Islands. And make sure if you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button for more great stuff that's coming up. Here we have it. I'm gonna go ahead and add some lettuce. And for me, I'm gonna do some onions first. I'm gonna do some onions. I'm gonna do some lettuce. I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup in there. A nice, simple, and delicious burger. This is mainly how I like to eat the burgers. Just like this, some simple, and they're always a good hit. So of course, don't forget to check out the links in the description. We have a link from Pit Boss now that you guys can go check all the good stuff they have. I'm gonna order some, I saw some pellets that they have, different flavors. I've always been curious on the charcoal pellets that give your meat some charcoal taste. Now I like the charcoal taste, and I've always been curious to see if those pellets actually give it that charcoal taste. They say they do, and Pit Boss has their own charcoal wood flavor pellets. So those are the ones I'm gonna order some pellets from them, and they're not a bad deal. That's a pretty good deal. I think like 12 bucks, and then certain ones have free shipping. So make sure to check out those links in the description. Now I know you guys are ready for this bad boy. Man, look at all that. So let's go ahead and taste it. Cannot go wrong. That is so good. I really enjoy this Texas rub for stuff like this. You know, it gives a great flavor. Some simple. I hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys leave a like. Subscribe if you guys haven't, for a lot of great videos coming up for summer. If you guys have any suggestions that you guys want to see in these cooks, go ahead and put a comment and see what. I'm curious to see what you guys want to see. Or all I'm missing is some jalapenos, which I have some in the house. So after this, I'm gonna go get me a couple of those peppers, and we'll be good. I'll see you guys next time.